First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this.
Hi guys! So today's video is going to be a massive Korean skincare beauty haul. Now, as you guys know, I mentioned in my last video that I'm going to Korea, but we didn't really have a lot of time in Korea because I had to come back for the marathon, which was yesterday. And thank you so much for all your messages on social media. I was really happy with the way it went. This was one of my toughest half marathons so far. I had like one busted knee from Malaysia, as we know, which was hurting me quite a bit, and I was jet lagged from the trip because we got back the day before. But I still managed to do a 2 hours and 14 minutes, which is not my best time, but I think it was pretty good given the circumstances. So very happy with that. So now, coming to Seoul and Korea, we didn't really have a lot of time in Korea other than what we were there for. But I definitely want to go to the beauty street, which is called Myeongdong, I think. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, but it is insane. Like, there are like a zillion brands on either side of the street, and it's just one of those places where you can buy like any beauty product under the sun, I think. And they have so many brands. We spent like maybe an hour and a half there, but we still bought a lot. Now, I didn't want to buy like the typical stuff like Innisfree and Misha, because you get that everywhere. Like if you travel in Asia, you pretty much get those everywhere. And we get a lot of those products in India as well. I did my research and I wanted to buy stuff that you don't get anywhere else other than Korea. So I bought a lot of those kind of products, and then of course stuff that I randomly saw that I thought was cute. So yeah, this is what I got from Korea. Are you ready, guys? So these are all the sheet masks I bought. Now, I'm not someone who uses a lot of sheet masks, honestly, until now. But like, Korea is like the land of sheet masks, and when you're there, there's a mask for everything. Like there's a lip mask, there's a foot mask, there's like a finger mask, there's a mask for everything. So I did buy some from some of the brands that I've heard of, or some that were my favorites. But yeah, I bought a lot of sheet masks. Like, look at this. Like, okay, so I'm going to show you guys each one by one so you guys can see what I got. Okay, I'm going to start with Tony Moly, which is a Korean brand which is really popular, and they have stores all over like Korea. Now, again, the thing with these is I don't have the prices for all of these things, which is the sad part. I kept all the invoices, okay? I kept all the invoices so that I could do this haul and like share with you guys the prices of each thing. But guess what? Most of them are in Korean. So whatever I can figure out, I will convert and I will put the prices here for you guys. But I'm sorry, this is something I didn't really predict. Starting with the first mask, which is a lip mask from Tony Malina. Now, I don't know how this works. It's just one of those like jello kind of lip masks, and it's like a patch that you're supposed to just stick on. In my research, everybody said get a lip mask from Korea. Now, the one that I was looking for was a different brand. I couldn't find it, so I just got this one. Yeah, let's see how it is. Then the next one is this one. Now, this was part of my research. This is the strawberry 3-step blackhead remover mask. Now, this is one of those holy grail Korean products, like the top 10 that you have to buy in Korea. So I'm really excited about this one. And you get them in packs of like 10s and 20s. It's not like a single, you know, thing that you get. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one because I have a lot of blackheads. So let's see if this works. Then we have Dr. Jart, which again is another major Korean brand. This one is supposed to be great for like acne prone skin, and lately, as I mentioned, I have been breaking out a bit. It's a rubber mask, so it's different to the other sheet masks, and this is more expensive than the sheet mask. It's a single mask, and it's supposed to be really good. This was also on a lot of to buy Korean product lists, so hope this is good. Then we have a lot of these. Some of these are samples. Okay, they give you like ridiculous amounts of samples. I will show you the samples at some stage. They're somewhere here. So the first lot is from Real Nature. This is an avocado sheet mask. Then we have a pomegranate one from Real Nature as well. So yeah, I don't know how well these work, but they look pretty and I bought them. This one again is from Tony Moly. I think this was a sample that they gave me because I don't remember buying this one. It is a green tea mask. Then we have lots of Snail masks from Nature's Republic. Then we have one of my favorite cheap mask brands, The Face Shop. Now, I bought a lot of Face Shop stuff from New York earlier, and I love their cheap masks. I really feel like they're effective. They work well, which is why I bought a lot from them. And they have these really cool offers. So if you buy like 10 or 20 masks, you get like 10 or 20 free. So I bought one of these and one of these was free. So this is the Green Pearl Station Tea Tree Care Mask, which is just like a relaxing, hydrating mask. Then this one is just like an all-in-one face mask, which is like moisturizing. So yeah, I got these two. Now these are gonna be used for a long time because I think they're like packs of 20. So yeah, I have 40. And the last set of masks I bought from The Face Shop are these, which are just, you know, you put them here, they're for like your under eyes. And I had a few of these from New York, like a friend had given them to me, and I really loved them. So I thought this would be nice to buy. So like for the lines and to lift your under eye, like you can see these big little khaddas I have here for those. So those were all the masks that I bought. I know I bought a lot of masks, but the thing is when you're there and you look at the stores, like they're like complete stores that are only dedicated to face masks. So you have like wall to wall like face masks of all kinds, and you're just really tempted to buy more and more and more. And luckily for me, I had Weber who was like, babe, you have enough masks, you don't need any more masks. So at some stage I was just like, okay, I'm gonna stop buying masks. In terms of other products, we got the Snail Solution Cream from Nature's Republic. Again, the Koreans are really big on snail skincare. Every brand has like their own version of like some kind of snail cream, and they have it in like every product. So you have snail mask, you have snail like night cream, you have snail day cream, snail cuticle cream, snail everything. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty packaging, and then it has like a screw-on cap that you can take off, and then this is the cream. Should we try a little? We actually tried this one there as well before buying. It was really light, really refreshing, and not oily, but it just felt like hydrating and moisturizing, and it smells really good. So yeah, this is the one that we got. Then the next brand that I was really excited to try was Too Cool for School. It's all over the place, and they have the coolest stuff and the most interesting store with like amazing packaging and all of that. And we've actually done a Korea vlog, and you guys will see all of this on coupling in the coming weeks. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't, where you will see a lot of these stores and the street, and you will understand what I mean by how cool the store is. I basically went there for one product, which is this one, which is the Egg Mousse Pack. This was on a lot of lists of like products to buy, and this is what I went in for. So yeah, I bought two of these because Weber was like, I want one too. So we got two of these. And then I saw a lot of other interesting products, and I bought a lot of them. So the first one is the Bubble Cleansing Pack. Now, I'm not sure how this works, but I do think like it forms those little bubbles all over your face, and then you have to rinse it. I hope it works like that, because that's how I imagined it and bought it. I was just like, I want that. So I got this as well. Okay, you know, I don't know which one I'm gonna try, but this afternoon I'm gonna try either one of these, and you're gonna see that now. Lot of egg-based products, which is what their brand is known for. So I also bought some shampoo. I bought the Egg Remedy shampoo, which looked really good. I got like two of these, and then I also bought the Egg Remedy hair pack, which is like a 3-step hair mask kind of a thing. Then we have this mascara, again from Too Cool for School. Love the packaging again. This was pretty cool and amazing because, okay, wow, the packaging on the inside is even cooler. Look at this. But what I loved about it, it's a mascara, and it has bit on the end of the wand. So as you can see, the wand is like straight, and you can move the wand like this to like position it in a way that you want. So you can totally get the corners of the eyes, and you can do like every bit of your eye really easily, which is why I bought this one. Now, this was not on my list at all, but the way the wand moved, I was like, okay, want this. Then we also have some perfume that came out from my Too Cool for School bag. I don't remember buying this. I think it's a freebie with the stuff that I got. Just look at this. Look at how beautiful this bottle is. It's like so pretty. It smells pretty good too. Before I move into the makeup stuff, there's a few more skincare related things. This is the peach scent hand cream from Skin Food. Now Skin Food is another brand that does amazing products. The thing is, I went there after we bought all of this stuff, and then I was just like, you know, I have a lot of stuff, so I just thought that, you know, I don't need them right now and I'm being greedy, and this is all I came back with, which is a hand cream. And it reminded me of my L'Occitane hand cream that I use right now, which I really love. And I like the convenience of the tube and that you can carry it anywhere. And I love peaches, which is why I got this. Wow, that was a really long explanation for one tiny tube of hand cream. The last beauty product is something I'm really excited about. This is from the Face Shop again. It is a volcanic lava peel-off nose mask. Now, you guys know I'm like Blackhead obsessed because I have a lot of them on my nose and I've had them my whole life. But I love these products that like yank them out or pull them and peel off. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this. And you know what? I'm gonna try and put these products into maybe my to buy or not to buy videos or favorites videos for the ones that worked for me, so that you guys can figure out what really worked for me and what didn't, maybe, so that it's not just a pointless haul for you guys. Yeah, so I will do that later. Now, coming to the makeup related stuff, I bought this lash curler from the Face Shop. It was really cheap, strangely. I don't need a new lash curler and I wasn't in the market for one, but it was really good. Like, I tried the tester while I was in the store and it really like, boom, my lashes. I'm going to show you guys this. I haven't curled my lashes this morning, so maybe you'll see the difference. Can you see? Can you see? Like, I feel like this eye is more open than this one. So yeah, it was really cheap, and I am going to do the other eye now as I talk to you really carefully. Yeah, done. Then we have some lip related stuff. So first up, I bought my Burt's Bees lip balm, which is what I'm wearing right now in the shade Rose. In India, you pretty much only get this officially at Sephora, and it's a lot more expensive than it is elsewhere. So this was barely, I think when I converted it, like half the price or cheaper than what you get it here at, which is why I bought it. It's the same. It's what I'm wearing right now, and it's what I wear like 90% of the time when you guys are like, what is that lip shade? Then we have some things from Tony Moly again. Now, this is a lip balm, like a glossy balm. This was again on one of those to buy lists. Look at them. They're like little bunnies. How cute are these? So they had lots of shades. I bought like a pink and an orange. I know it's really predictable and it's really me, but that's what I'm going to use, which is why I got these two. And then I bought another lip tint. Now, this is also from Tony Moly. It's a gel lip tint. This reminded me of my Benetton, which is why I got it. Let's see. So yeah, it's definitely a lot more vibrant than Benetton. It's like got this gel-like consistency and it feels pretty good. And I can't stop doing this. Now, the last product that I bought there and the last product in the haul is the same. It is the Hera Black Cushion. It just sounds so exotic. So again, this was one of those holy grail Korean products. I bought it at duty free before I left. It's like a foundation thing with like a cushion. It just sounds really exotic, but it's like this. You can see this is the like the padded cushion, and then you have this, which is, oh, it's sealed right now. I'm gonna open it for you guys, and yeah, then you just dab it and then like apply it. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I bought. It's one of the biggest beauty markets I've ever seen, and so many products that you're tempted to buy. I would recommend doing some research if you go there, because that really helped me, because there's so much stuff. Like, I did my research, but I still bought so much extra stuff that was not on my list because it just looks really cool, and I don't really know how effective a lot of these products are, as I said, whether they just look cool or they have nice packaging. But I'm gonna try them and you will see what works for me in my other videos, and hopefully that will help you make your decisions when you go to Korea. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and the haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with some Korean skincare products or makeup products that have worked for you. Maybe I can order some of those. See you guys. Bye. With my new lip tint.